Hey, it's Eric with Victoric Design Build. We are here again in our Bayshore condo, and we're giving you behind the scenes. This project has progressed. It's all about the details. Now it's finishing, and one of the things that we do as Design Build is we follow the design details throughout, even during construction. So I'm here today to look at all the stone details that needs to be worked out, plus the finishing of the panels. All of these are sorted out, and now they're good to go. But while I'm here, I wanted to give you a sneak peek into our job site. Check out that view. This is what the client gets once this is all done and they move in. So this is the book match fireplace feature wall that we got for them. Those, of course, is the TV. We've got a beautiful ribbon fireplace down there, and the signature piece of this is this book match marble slab. There's gonna be LED light up there, and it's just gonna be stunning. But this is the anchoring piece in their living room and dining area. That continues all the way through to there. There's gonna be two wine cabinets there and a little mini bar there, and it continues down the hall to their entry, where we have some concealed panels to really give that contemporary look. Coordinating all of these stone details is a key part to executing this perfectly. You can see here, this is all mitered corners. This is a little bit rough right now. They'll polish that down, and then we'll have a return piece which makes it look like a solid 8-inch stone slab floating with LED lights at the top and bottom. So over here, we're gonna have a feature wall. This is gonna be bronze mirrored panels with just a bit of display. Hiding that column, we skinned it down as much as possible to open up the view. But this entire countertop here is a full slab. Now, of course, you can't get a slab this big. So we worked very carefully with the stone supplier to continue the joint lines as much as possible to give that full slab look. This is gonna be quite nice here. It ties into their kitchen. There's gonna be a slab on that back wall, and I love this part. This is a pull-out pantry with a cappuccino area, but we've tied that entire thing to this workspace. The client has a home center and they want to be working. Imagine working every day towards this view. I don't know how much work you'll get done. It's so distracting, but it's gonna be a gorgeous space. This is another example of the careful coordination between designer and contractor. That's us. That has to coordinate with all these high-end details. This shower is an entire slab from the ceiling, as you can see, down to walls, down to floors. And even at the front, every corner here is mitered. And with these large slabs, you have to have the right trade, the right coordination to make sure the detail works. And that's why we're here on site. Being design build, we want to make sure we follow all those details throughout, because when you're doing a high-end job like this, it's all about the details. You cannot get it wrong. So you can see here the custom drain that we had to do. This is a condo, so that drain location was very specific and we couldn't stray too far from it. But that whole part there will be grouted, full slab, and the slab actually comes down on a miter down to floor. So it's quite a stunning feature. It looks simple, but it's hard to execute. So this is the miter there, and they've just finished gluing it. So we will be polishing that down. And by the time we're done, you won't even notice it. And it'll look like a full slab that goes right through. By the time they finish polishing it, it'll actually look like this. Just a slight 45 chamfer. And it gives that nice detail. So that's the laundry closet, and we ripped out the old doors, which is just the basic pre-hung doors. We're going to be putting full height concealed panels there, tied together with a concealed door, so it's all hidden. And we're gonna bring that concealed panel over to here and all the way up the entry door here, so it has this very contemporary wall panel look. 2 panels there, and then down here into this hallway there'll be a bronze mirror here. Just open up this hallway a little bit, and that comes into this powder room here, which will get its own treatment, and I'll show that to you in the finished product. So I hope you enjoyed that behind the scenes video. We love doing complicated projects, and if you have a complicated condo rental that you want us involved in, give us a call and we'll help you execute the right design vision right through to construction.